Hi, good day. This is Ken Lao Yong. So today I want to show you how to use PowerQuery to kind of like pan, right? Pan all this data here, right? That's stored in one folder, one single folder. So there are two folders here, right? And later on we have one more files there. So let's head it to the PowerQuery, right? Let's go to data, new query, from file, choose from folder. Yes, from folder. Click on the browse button. Choose a folder contains the files. This is data. And yes, gonna have that data, right? And choose edit. And I'm gonna just right click and remove all others unnecessary columns. And I had to add column, and I had to custom column. And over here I type get Excel's tables data, and here I type Excel dot workbook. Double click on this, close bracket. You must type close bracket and click OK. So again, it's Excel dot workbook. Open bracket, double click on contain. This contain is the columns right here. Click OK, and that's extracted the table in these two files. Let's just delete this contain, remove it, expand everything. Now take a look at this table right now. It expanded. Now this table has this data, right, and this table has this data. But this is not all, right? This is a screen, a snapshot of the contains the table. This table contains of 25,000 rows data, right? It's not only that. So I'm going to select this and remove the rest. So right click, remove other column. Now take a look here, right? You see that this row, we want to promote it to the top. Same goes to here. You see this row, we'll promote it to as a header. So how to do that? Head to add column, choose a custom column. Here we'll just write something to do with, or we can just say remove headers, or we can just use promote my headers. Any names you like, right? But for this, it has to be a code. Promote headers, and directly on this table dot promote headers, right? Notice that there's a right parenthesis. Okay, there's no syntax error, and click OK. And now take a look at here, right? It is now promoted as a header. The first row is promoted as a header. Alright, so we can just remove this, and we're ready to load it to table. So now we're going to choose load close and load to table. Well, actually we missed one step, right? So I got to go back and double click on this. Click on this, expand all. Okay, now we add just one more step, expand the and click close and load. Yes, that's all right. So this consists of all the data, right? We can go here home, change this to short date, and there are data from here. And that is how we combine these or append the stacking one year data to another, right? So now we just done this, right? Now let's head over to desktop, right? We have the sales data. We just want to put it inside as well. Remember, right? Earlier on, we only have data from 2017 and 2016, right? So now we have one, right? We just added the data right into the folder, same folder, right? And let's go here, right click, refresh. Let's go here, right? Notice that 2018 is already there. So it comes to the next year, right? You just need to put the same data into different year data into the same folder, and that's all. It's just that simple. And thanks for watching, right? You just learned how to use the PowerQuery from folder. It's very powerful tools. A simple steps and helps you do a lot of amazing things. Thank you.